Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Studio on a Chromebook. First, confirm your Chromebook model supports Linux apps. Most devices released in the last 3 to 4 years do. You will need to enable the Linux development environment, which essentially runs a virtual machine for desktop applications on your device. This initial setup is crucial for everything that follows, ensuring your system is ready. Make sure your device has ample storage, at least 8 GB available, for the process. Once you have verified your Chromebook's compatibility, open your device's settings. Scroll down to find the Developers section, then select Turn On for the Linux development environment. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this step, choosing a username and disk size. The initial download and installation process will begin, requiring an internet connection and patience as it sets up the core Linux system on your Chromebook. After Linux is successfully installed, open the terminal app found in your Chromebook's app launcher. Within the terminal, you will type and execute a few commands to update your system's package lists and then install Wine. Wine, which stands for Wine is not an emulator, allows your Linux environment to run software designed for Windows. This download can be quite large, potentially several hundred megabytes, so be prepared for it to take a little while. Now, open your Chromebook's browser and download the Windows version of the Roblox Studio installer directly from the official Roblox website. Once downloaded, drag and drop this file from your Downloads folder into the Linux Files folder, which you can find in your file manager. Return to the Linux terminal and use a Wine command to execute the Roblox Studio installer. Follow the installation wizard as you normally would on a Windows computer, completing the setup process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.